I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by rinsing your mint under cold running water for about 10 seconds to remove dirt and any residual soil. Remove any yellow or wilted leaves and trim 1/2 inch from the base of each stem to open fresh vascular tissue for water uptake. Shake stems gently to remove large droplets, then spread leaves on a clean towel and pat dry with light pressure. Avoid rubbing, which bruises the leaves and speeds spoilage. Perform this step right before storing or using for best flavor and texture. To keep mint fresh in the refrigerator, treat it like cut flowers. Place trimmed stems in a glass with 1:5 inches of water and set the glass upright in the fridge. Cover the leaves loosely with a plastic bag to maintain humidity while preventing freezer-dry air contact. Secure the bag with a rubber band if needed. Change the water every 2 days and retrim stems by 1/4 inch to maintain water uptake. Stored this way, mint can stay fresh up to 10 days with crisp leaves and vibrant aroma. When you need longer storage, preserve mint by freezing. Finely chop leaves and pack the mint into ice cube trays with 1 tablespoon of water per cube, then freeze until solid for convenient portioning. Another option is to lay whole leaves flat on a tray and flash freeze for about 1 hour before transferring to freezer bags. This prevents clumping. Always squeeze out excess air, label containers with the date, and use frozen mint within 6 months to retain the best flavor and essential oils for cooking or drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.